I gotta show the people all this snow. What you in there cooking, man?
Bacon.
You down here frying it up. You down here frying it up, man. That's like, what, 3 feet up by this window? Just in like the last 24 hours.
Yeah.
You getting on here? I just got up too. Do I look younger now? I cut some of this beard off. It's still there, but I cut some of it off because it was just getting so puffy that it made me look like I was super fat and super old. That's like 3 feet of snow right there. Doing it up big time, man. You ready for the new Fortnite season? Season 5. Chapter 2, Season 5. The breakfast look 5. Hello?
Hello, honey.
Our neighbor might be dead in the snow.
What's he doing?
I have no idea. And then you see him crawl away. And that's the last you see of him. He was walking and fell. And then was like, I thought he was messing with the lights. Which he very well could have been, but then why would he crawl away?
I mean, does it look like there's like a hump or anything?
Nah. What happened?
It looks like everything went out.
Man, my Fortnite event was about to start. Galactus was gonna take over the island. I was about to record and everything. Here, let me show you what I was talking about first. See, he take a dive. That's the first thing the camera catches. He's trying to catch people on the street, I think. Like saying, hey, I'm over here. And then he decides to say, forget it, I'm gonna walk back.
Crawl back.
Yeah, crawl back. Up. Exactly. So when he crawls back, this is the last thing you see. But you notice, you see them tracks that appear up there? The next frame? Them tracks wasn't there that whole time. Then they appear.
Oh, okay.
So he probably got up to at least there. You see what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So if he's outside,
he's in the front of the house.
He's in the side, by the side of his house or in the front. You don't see nothing. Snow is too deep. I don't know, cause that's where all his tracks was. I mean, I don't know. It snowed like 6 inches on top of when he was out there. That was unexpected. That was an unexpected twist. Look at that. That's crazy.
We got some Christmas action going. Christmas action going. Christmas action going. Christmas action going. Action going. Christmas action going.
Woo! We still ain't got no power. So you gonna wrap gifts in candlelight. You gonna do it like the ancients did it.
Yeah. Probably put my Bluetooth on for a minute. Have a little music.
I got a light actually. I wanted to test for this setup. I wanted to see like when I'm out and it's dark. One is an old phone case, Lumi case. I'm ready for the apocalypse, man. I've been ready for the apocalypse. I told you. So what's up, Mom? What you about to do?
Hey, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell.
I'll give you light. Look at that. In a phone case. Look how light that got.
That's like ridiculous.
It's like I lit up the Christmas tree. I need to see what's up with that event, that live event. Please stop. I'll take this wrapping paper and throw it out in the snow, just like your neighbor. No, no, no. It's too soon.
Don't say that.
I gotta make sure the man is all right before I start making jokes. But he can be a meme real quick if he's okay. Let's see what Galactus did.
Here we go.
Here we go.
This is it.
He's so dramatic.
Galactus, we are not scared of you!
We will take you down.
You still wrapping gifts? Man, it's been 3 hours. You still wrapping gifts. You trying to make them nice. You must have got me all kind of gifts. Okay, I can respect it. Ain't nothing else better to do. I need to wrap yours. It's cool. I got time. I'm just looking for something to do. Still ain't got no power. It was a whole reality show outside. We had the snow plow, we had the neighbors yelling at each other, we got cars, we got all kind of stuff. Ambulances. Lights back on. 12 inches. That's 11 inches actually. It's a lot of snow. Let's stop spreading all that corona, coughing and all that, to get you with an elbow, calm all that corona down. I heard that was the cure. A good elbow to the nose. So what you doing?
Ate a sandwich and some chips.
You lucky this camera's good in low light, cause you don't never had no lights on down here. These braids are so fuzzy, it look like I don't even have braids no more. It is 7:30 in the morning. You think I'm lying? I ain't lying. 7:30 in the morning, y'all. I've been up all night editing, organizing files. Big shout out to the Hodge twins, you know what I'm saying? Y'all remember, we had the office chair, which was a recliner. It's gone, man. It's gone. And the reason it's gone is, it was giving me back problems, yo. I was getting low back problems. So I ordered another chair on Amazon, which will be here in a couple days. I'll put it together with y'all. But we about to go take back the chair to Big Lots. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me with the GoPro, some POV action, and we gonna get the day started. Get some breakfast too.
Hey.
Got them hash browns early in the morning. This part, it locks out and it just won't go down. And even when you hit the thing, I had to go underneath it to get it to go down. So that's just the problem.
I was just wondering because I didn't know if we were going to be putting it in clearance or what.
Yeah.
So what are you guys, are you getting your money back? You getting another one?
No, we're just going to get our money back. I'm going to park so I'm not in this one.
Yeah. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Somebody must have passed out at Walmart. I thought they was coming for you.
So you need these kind?
Yup. Don't need a lid or nothing. 2 at the max. You know what's crazy? Seeing mailboxes in the store, they look so much bigger than they do. I need 220. Just say aisle 13, bay 27. Yeah, they all say aisle 13, bay 27.
Took all the old wiring out, cut it out. We have the new, we have the boxes now to redo. Gonna take the new string of lights, put them in, and then they're gonna end up like those.
We at Starbucks, but I wanted to update the people about my neighbor. I think he's alive. All right, so you see, like, this is his house. I can see his house from my camera, but you'll notice, you notice that his light came on. Now, whether or not maybe he got a timer or something, but I'm sure this man is hopefully all right. I mean, I don't know. But I swear I thought he was dead. I was on the toilet when I saw it. I was just scrolling, getting a time lapse of the snow. And I'm like, bro, what the f is this? What it do, Daniel Dynasty? We in a new mansion, man. Look like he throwing it. Time for that chrono. Why would you call the police? What is he doing?
The energy he brings is so great. This is where the magic happens.
Roll over.
Damn!
What did I see?
Saw 2 BBCs.
And that's the channel strike.
Come on now, dog.